This is Earth. Maybe you've heard of it. I sure hope so, because you live on one of its 7 continents. If you're looking for culture as exciting as its landscape, then take a look at South America. It's home to the largest rainforest in the world, the Amazon rainforest. It covers over 2 million square miles. That's a lot of trees. And its thick vegetation makes more than 20% of the world's oxygen. Snaking through the rainforest is the Amazon River, the largest river in the world. Surrounding this incredible river is a rich ecosystem full of life. About 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 430 species of mammals, and 2.5 million different species of insects. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world and travels almost 4,000 miles. That's the distance from New York to Rome. The largest country in South America is Brazil. It covers almost half of the continent. One of the smallest countries in South America is Ecuador. What it lacks in size, it makes up for in natural beauty. Ecuador has over 4,000 species of orchids, making it the orchid capital of the world. You won't find any flowers in Chile's Atacama Desert, though. It's considered the driest place on Earth. The air here is so dry, there are hardly any clouds, making it one of the best places to stargaze. For more stunning views, check out Angel Falls in Venezuela, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall. If you prefer your water frozen, head south to see the southern ice fields of Torres del Paine National Park in Chile. Here, you can join over 100,000 visitors a year exploring the mountain peaks and glaciers. Full of wildlife, natural wonders, and culture, there's no place quite as extraordinary as South America.